Greetings, OSU scholars. My name's Donnie, and let's talk about dividing fractions. So, keep, change, flip, what is that? Well, when we get to our division fraction problem, we want to keep the first fraction, okay? So we're going to keep 5 over 12. We want to change the division into multiplication. We want to change division into multiplication, and then we want to flip our second fraction. So right here is 3 over 8. I'm going to flip it to 8 over 3. Let me go ahead and put my initials there just so you can see that. KCF, not KFC, KCF. All right, here we go. We just multiply straight across. So 5 times 8, just like we did earlier. 5 times 8, and then 12 times 3, which is 36. Okay? Now let's simplify. So first we're going to break down the fraction. We can easily break down the fraction by using either 2, 3, or 5, dividing 2, 3, or 5. Okay? So I'm going to go ahead and divide my fraction here. 40, 36. I can easily divide by 2. That gives me 20 over 18. I can continue to divide by 2. And yes, you can keep continuing dividing by these prime numbers. You don't just do it one time. You do it as much time as possible until your answer cannot divide anymore. So I have 20 divided by 2, that's 10. And 18 divided by 2, that's 9. So now my new fraction here is 10 over 9, okay? So now, this is the second part of the simplifying process. As you see right here, I have an improper fraction where my numerator is greater than my denominator. So I have to turn it into a mixed number. I could just go ahead and subtract. That's what I want to do. I want to subtract 10 minus 9. I'm going to keep subtracting until I can't subtract no more. Watch this. So I can at least subtract at least one time. So 10 minus 9 equals 1. Can I subtract 9 again? I don't think so. I can't subtract 9 again. What's left is 1. So I tell myself, how many times did I subtract? I subtracted it one time, which means I have one whole number. What was left? This 1 that I got as an answer was left. So that's my numerator. And my denominator never changes. If my denominator is 9 from right here, my denominator will be 9 for my mixed number. And that's my simplified mixed number.